Why do elite boxers seem to operate on a different plane? They move with a quiet efficiency that amateurs, with all their frantic energy, can never seem to match. The secret isn't just talent, and it's not just hard work. It's that they are running a constant, ruthless audit on themselves. They are hunting down and eliminating 3 invisible enemies that are holding you back. In this video, I'm giving you the 3-part audit that the top 1% use to forge themselves into perfect fighting machines. The first audit targets your gas tank. An amateur thinks about building a bigger engine through cardio. An elite fighter obsesses over fuel efficiency. Energy is not a resource to be spent, it is a currency to be invested. And the single biggest waste of that currency is unnecessary muscular tension. You must become a ruthless auditor of tension in your shoulders, your jaw, and your fists. During your next shadowboxing session, your only goal is to find tension. At the end of every combination, do a full body scan. Are your shoulders creeping up to your ears? Is your fist clenched when it should be loose? Identify it, consciously exhale, and shake it out. You are training your body to return to a zero-tension baseline after every action. Audit 2. Auditing your motion. You've fixed your energy leaks. Now you must audit your movement. An amateur telegraphs their every move. They wind up their punches, take big, clumsy steps, and use exaggerated head movement. Every extra inch of movement is a signal to your opponent and a waste of time. The most devastating path is the most direct one. Elite fighters are masters of subtraction. They are on a lifelong quest to remove every single millimeter of unnecessary motion from their technique until only pure, efficient, and brutally direct action remains. The audit. Film yourself on the heavy bag. Watch it back with a critical eye and ask one question. Where is the wasted motion? Are you pulling your hand back to your hip before you punch? Are your feet bouncing instead of gliding? Find the one biggest inefficiency and dedicate your next entire session to eliminating just that one habit. If you're on a quest for mastery, not just a few tips, you belong here. Hit subscribe and join the audit. Audit 3. Auditing your mind. You have an efficient engine and efficient movement. The final audit is the most important. You must streamline your mind. An amateur's mind is a chaotic battlefield of emotion and second-guessing. They worry about the last round, the next round, what their coach is thinking, what the crowd is thinking. This is called decision fatigue, and it paralyzes you. Your conscious mind is a terrible fighter. It is a world-class analyst. The elite fighter's secret is to get their conscious mind out of the fight. They drill their technique to the point of unconscious competence, so their body can fight on autopilot. This frees their conscious mind to do the one thing it's good at, collecting data and finding patterns. The audit. In your next sparring session, give your mind one and only one job. For example, my only mission for this round is to count how many times my opponent drops their left hand after they jab. That's it. By giving your analyst a clear, simple mission, you prevent it from descending into emotional chaos. The elite audit is a continuous process. Hunt wasted energy, hunt wasted motion, and hunt wasted thought. This is the path of mastery, and it is open to any fighter, southpaw or orthodox, who is willing to be a ruthless auditor of their own system. Which of these 3 audits, energy, motion, or mind, do you need to run on your own training the most? Let's get a discussion going in the comments. If you're ready to start training like the top 1%, subscribe now, and to see the ultimate result of this mindset, watch my video on the 5 levels of fight IQ right here on the screen. It is the perfect next step. Train smart, stay ready.